Hello guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, today I am here to share with you this amazing and very effective recipe on how you can tackle and stop having sex in the dream. For example, if you are being disturbed spiritually by spiritual husband or spiritual wife, now watch this video to the end, because after watching this video, by the special grace of God, and you go ahead and perform this recipe, trust me, there will be nothing like you are seeing another man or another woman sleeping with you while you are asleep, or while you are dreaming. Okay, so if you have been experiencing marine spirits always tormenting you, sleeping with you, the moment they sleep with you, that contract that you have at hand will just got terminated. The moment they sleep with you, that project that you want to execute will no longer come to manifestation. That is a very bad omen, and it has to do with spiritual problem, spiritual sparse. Yes, they are responsible for all those things. I don't know if you're hearing me. So if you have been battling such thing for a very long time, I will encourage you that you watch this video and see this effective and natural remedy on how you can put an end to those ugly spirits coming to sleep with you that have been making things not to work in your life, that has been causing difficulties, financial difficulties, have been making people to hate you unnecessarily, or perhaps it has been causing unnecessary anger in your life. You just stay on your own, and before you know it, you start getting angry over nothing. You start getting angry over little things. That is not good. It's a bad omen that needs to deal with it. And if you have been seeing spiritual wife, spiritual husband making love with you, they are responsible for all these things. All right, so to stop them from making love to you in your dream or while you are asleep, this is what you need to do to chase them away completely by the special grace of God without doing any spiritual work. But I will not advise you never to do any spiritual work based on that. Okay, so if you have money to go for spiritual work on it, you can do. But once you don't have money and you want to flow it naturally, you want to use home remedy to stop that, this video is highly recommended, and by special grace of God, it works 100% effective. Okay, so to do that, you need few ingredients. Number one ingredient in my list is going to be my what? My scent leaf. This is my fresh scent leaf. Okay, you are going to need this in a bulk. Okay, you're going to need it much, plenty. All right, this is scent leaf. You need a fresh one. Another ingredient in my list today is what? Garlic. You need a garlic, okay, not just agric garlic. You need a local garlic. This is a local garlic, okay. You need it like 21 pieces. All right, so the third ingredient, which is the final ingredient, is what? Olive oil. You need original olive oil in this particular recipe. Okay, so here is how you are going to prepare this. Now I want you to get your scent leaf. When you get it, please do not wash it. Okay, just pluck the leaves out from the stem, and then do what? Use your mortar to do what? To mash it very well, both the stem and the leaf. Mash it properly, mash it very well, and after mashing it, guys, okay, now scoop it in a plate. Now this your garlic, okay, you have to do what? You have to mash it again. Please do not peel the back of this garlic. A lot of people, why they want to make use of garlic, they peel the back. Let me tell you, garlic has the spiritual benefits of the back. How should I put it? I don't know if I'm correct. Yes, garlic has spiritual benefits, especially the back. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. Now, when you get your garlic, please do not peel the back. Okay, so pan everything together. Your 21 pieces of garlic. Okay, so pan everything together, and after pounding it, now scoop it. All right. So what will you do? Get me this original Goya olive oil. Now pour the whole thing inside here, inside your garlic. pour the whole thing inside your garlic, and then I want you to make a prayer. After pouring everything inside your goya olive oil, now begin to decree, begin to pray, tell God what you want um this mixture to how you want it to work for you and what you are using it for. Okay, tell God that you don't want to be seeing those ugly spirits, okay, coming to you, making love to you in your dream, causing disappointment, failure, disaster, promise and fail by backsliding, stagnation, near ancestor syndrome, all those things. Start making a prayer. You declare what you want this olive oil to do for you based on the problem that I just started earlier on this video. Okay, now after making that prayer, keep it aside where nobody will touch it. Okay, please do not allow anybody to touch it, because the moment another person touches it, it will defile it. Okay, let it be that it is only you that will be touching it. All right, so now at night when you want to sleep, after taking your bed, all right, now at night while you want to sleep, just take some of this oil, okay, a little, and then pour it on your hand, and then rub it all over your body, and also on your private parts. Pour it a little there and then rub it. While you are rubbing it, I want to call the blood of Jesus 7 times. You call blood of Jesus, 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 blood of Jesus for 7 times on your private part while you are rubbing it, and then go back to bed. Let me tell you, that will be the end of them coming to you, coming to make love to you while you are sleeping or while you are dreaming. Do this every night, at least for 1 month, and say bye bye to spiritual husband. All right, so guys, that is just the end of this video for today. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely evening. Bye.